So not all were paid, and yet you transferred the funds already.
Yes, Your Honor.
PhilHealth asserted that it has stable financial health and the transferred funds were surplus.
On the concern, Your Honor, of the going concern of the corporation, I can simply say, Your Honor, that the corporation has that capacity to continue its operation, Your Honor. Given that the corporation, Your Honor, has an investment portfolio, Your Honor, enough to cover the requirements of the corporation in terms of benefit payment.
Solicitor General Minardo Guevara also defended the fund transfer, adding that PhilHealth has even improved its services.
There is no violation because that responsibility on the part of PhilHealth to make use of any excess over the reserve fund